Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 13, and in this video I will show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So in order to do that, simply go to settings, then open battery settings right here. Then go to Battery Checkup and see what problems with your battery your phone has detected. Just hit the checkbox next to the check circle next to each issue that your phone finds unresolved in order to improve your battery health. Then tap Add, and this way you will optimize your battery and improve your battery life. And the last thing that you can change is the display. If you're not comfortable with the dark mode, instead you can switch it off in display and brightness section, and then manually adapt the screen brightness by moving this slider, or just use the automatic brightness mode and let your phone handle the brightness level. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.